So today I'm going to teach you about micelles. First, I'm going to tell you about dispersion system, because these micelles comes under dispersion system. So let us discuss this one. Any system made up of a substance distributed or scattered as a minute particle of a solid or droplets of liquid or an extremely tiny bubbles of gas into the body of another substance is called as dispersion system. Okay, so that means it's just like solution. Okay, it's just like solution, but you are that those solute particles are thoroughly distributed throughout the system. Okay, for example, uh, so consider in this container you have water. Okay, in this container you have water. Now you add oil to this container. Okay, you add oil to this water, you shake it. After shaking, oil is thoroughly distributed throughout this water. Okay, okay, now this is known as dispersion system. Okay, and this dispersion system consists of two phase. Okay, one is this oil phase, and okay, these oil particles are known, this phase is known as dispersed phase. Okay, dispersed. This water, okay, whatever water is there, water is known as dispersed medium phase. Hence a dispersion system is two phase system. Okay, two phase system. There are several types are there. So those are true solution, suspension, and third one is colloidal solution. Okay, so in your syllabus these two are not there, so thus I will discuss this one. Okay, that is colloidal solution. And example for this dispersion system is, first of all, water in oil in water, and some other examples are glucose in water, milk, surfactants in water, charcoal in water. These all are the example for dispersion system. Okay, colloidal solution, it is the heterogeneous dispersion of two immiscible phases in which particle size is between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. These particles can pass through ordinary filter paper but not through enamel membrane. Okay, so generally this is also a dispersion system, but its particle size is in between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Okay, so for example, aerosols of solid or liquid. Aerosols means your spray. Okay, whatever it may be, a spray is known as aerosols. Okay, and foam. Okay, foam is also an example for colloidal system, or soap solution is also an example for colloidal system. Okay, so these are passes through the ordinary filter paper, but it will not passes through the enamel membrane. For example, our skin, these aerosols or whatever sprays are there, this will not pass through our skin. Okay, let us discuss about micelles. Okay, micelles is an electrically charged particle built up from polymeric molecules or ions and occurring on a certain colloidal electrolyte solution like soap and detergents. Okay, so these micelles are formed in particular solutions like soap or detergents. Okay, you take soap. Okay, if you take soap, if you consider single particle of the soap, it will look like this. Okay, it has one head. Okay, that head is nothing but sodium ion, and it has also tail. This tail is known as stearate ion. Okay, generally it is made up of carbon chain. Okay, this is the structure of single soap molecule. Okay, this single molecule is not a micelles. Okay, so the criteria for micelle is it must form a compound like structure, then only it will become micelles. Okay, let me show you that one. Okay, okay, take one container. Okay, so add water to this container. Okay, and then add detergents. It may be detergents or soap. Okay, so when you add detergents or soap to this water, what they make is they form compound like structures like this. Okay, they form this type of compound. Okay, so then only this is known as micelles. Okay, okay, this is known as micelle. Now let us discuss about emulsions. The colloidal dispersion of two immiscible liquids in which one liquid acts as a dispersion medium and other acts as dispersed phase is called as emulsion. Okay, so the emulsion is nothing but colloidal only. Okay, so emulsions contains dispersion medium as well as dispersed phase. So basically, emulsions are two-phase system. It consists of dispersion medium as well as dispersed phase. Okay, this is just like colloid. So for example, milk, ice cream, etc. These are emulsions. Or easy way to make emulsion in a container: take water and add oil and just shake. This is nothing but emulsion. So consider this. This is oil in water. As you can see here, oil and water will not mix each other. They are not miscible. Okay, they are immiscible liquids. So as you can see here, when you add oil to water, it just look like this. Oil particles are separates from the water. So this is an example for emulsions. And example uses of these emulsions are, so these are used in lotions, okay, creams, and also it is used in ointments. Okay, so this is about emulsion.